Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an everyday makeup look. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup today. As requested by Annabelle Ezekia. So Annabelle, hi there. I'm doing your request. So before I take you to how I do my everyday makeup, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I have new videos. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's get ready. I have already prepped my skin with toner, moisturizer, and sunblock. So we're just gonna go ahead and start. So I usually start with a primer. It's the It Cosmetics by Pores primer. So that's the primer. And for my everyday makeup, I like using the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer because it feels like my second skin. This is best for an everyday makeup look because it already has SPF 30 PA++. I like using this because it gives you a natural looking finish. Very sheer lang siya. After that, put in our Fenty Beauty concealer, especially on my under eye. And then I like to get my concealer with this Mercier, Laura Mercier powder. Use my MAC Sculpt and Shape powder to sculpt and shape my face. And now we proceed with our eyebrow, our highlight. So I would start with brushing and then start with my Anastasia brow definer. This also has a fully And then after using the brow pencil from Anastasia, I would use this brow zing, browsing from Benefit Cosmetics. So this one has brow wax, which is paubos na siya, guys. And then a brow powder. So I would start first with the brow wax, and then use that to fill in my brow. Use that to fill that all over my brow. And then after that, I would go in with the brow powder and use that to set. Finally, use this Sunny Face Light Brow. Sunny Face Light Brow. So that's how I do my brows. That's guys. Okay, so that's how I do my tila. Yung tila is right. So after that, I would like to use the BLK Cosmetics Hair Matte Tint in Terracotta on my lid to give like a fresh, natural looking. And then let's use this Lancome Don't Wear Eyeliner. So we'll do this inside there. Transfer out the lashes. There it is. NARS Climax Mascara. And then use this color tint in Lola on our cheek. And then I usually use the same browsing on my nose line. a highlighter. Benefit what up highlighter. And then for my lips, we're just using the LK Air Matte in Muse. For a gradient matte. And then MAC Prep and Prime. To complete the look. So there you have it. That's my everyday makeup. Super simple. So you can do this, replicate this, since we're not able to go out because it's currently locked down. So you can use this whenever you're going on a Zoom meeting. Or, for example, if you're going on a grocery run, quick grocery run. So this is something that you can use. And this is also what I normally would wear on a daily basis whenever I am doing this. I hope you like this video. Please feel free to comment down below if you have any questions. And let me know if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!